Here's the current status of my experimenting with current sense amplifier project. I've got the current 6 click on here on the board with my Raspberry Pi. I put a relay shield from a D1 Mini. I stacked that into the second position, and I'm controlling that from Python to control when I can turn power off if there's a fault. I've got power coming in from my power supply way over there on the bench. It's going to run through this, which would simulate the 3D printer turning on and off the 12 volt output or 24 volt output to the print head. So that'll go through there. It'll go through my board, through the current sense amplifier, and I've got a programmable digital load, so I can run power through it. Where I'm stuck right now, I've got my logic analyzer out, and as far as I can tell, everything looks good in my communications here, but I'm not able to properly read and write my configuration how I want. And if we look over here, here's a section of my code. So I'm able to read in the current value of the configuration status. I update it with a few things. I write it back to the board, and then I try to read it back in. And here's the result. So I should be getting 6E, and I'm just getting back 6.0. So we'll just run this really quick. And so this is actually kind of doing the thing right now. It just clicks this on and off, and it's attempting to read voltage and current. And if I run that one more time, here we go. And so voltage and current are all zeros because I haven't put it in active mode. So that's the part I'm stuck at and I have to figure out next.